Hi, my name is Ramazan, and I'm presenting Fake Mario. So here you can see you can press start. You start the game. There's this robot. You basically could, it's a platformer. See, so he died, and here he starts. So you see, I'm kind of bad, so you see. My game's kind of broken.
Can you go a little bit more into your game?
Yeah, it's fine. I got this.
Let's go.
Oh no. So here, you see there's a key. So basically we could grab this key. Now it's on our head. I'm not seeing woman. Okay, so here you basically win, and then you jump here. You could go up. The ladder actually works. You win.
Okay, awesome. Can you tell us one thing you learned on this Unity system?
Yeah. So,
Well, can you say that?
triggers, collisions, some sprite mechanics,
Okay, let's give him a round of applause.